It's no secret that girls love attention. In fact, we love it so much that we'll do anything to get it. If you're not giving us the attention we crave, we'll find someone who will. But what if you could make a girl beg for your attention? It might sound difficult, but it's actually quite simple. All you need are a few tips and tricks that we're going to share with you right now. So pay attention, because learning how to make a girl beg for your attention is one skill that every man should know. 1. Be direct in your approach. When it comes to getting a girl to desire you, being direct is always the best way to go. Girls love a man with confidence, and there's nothing more confident than knowing what you want and going for it. So, make a point of being clear about your intentions from the start. Don't beat around the bush or try to play games. Just go for it and let her know that you're interested. Don't be afraid to let your personality shine through either. Show her that you're someone worth paying attention to. 2. Keep her guessing. Don't be too available. If she knows that you're always around and available, she'll quickly get bored. Keep her guessing by sometimes being scarce and only messaging her when you really have something to say. This will make her want your attention more, and she'll start chasing you instead. 3. Place some barriers and challenges here and there. Making a girl beg for your attention is all about creating a sense of intrigue and mystery. You need to put some barriers and challenges in her way, so she's constantly working to figure you out. Don't make it too easy for her. Mix things up by being unpredictable. Act one way one day and completely different the next. Be engaging and interesting, and keep her guessing about what you'll do next. 4. Give her space so she can realize how much she misses you. A key element to making a girl beg for your attention is to give her enough space that she feels like she's missing out when you're not around. It's a delicate balance, so you don't want to be too distant and make her think you don't care about her, but at the same time, you need to stay far enough away so she realizes how much she needs you in her life. Think of it this way. If a girl feels like you're always available and ready to give her attention whenever she wants it, then why should she bother fighting for it? On the other hand, if there's something special and hard to come by about the way you treat her, then it gives her something rewarding to strive for. So, keep your conversations short and sweet, but still be sure to check in with her often enough that she knows you are still interested. 5. Don't always initiate the text. If you are always the one to initiate a conversation, it won't take long for her to take you for granted. If you want her to beg for your attention, switch things up every once in a while by not initiating a text. She'll start to miss hearing from you and will be more likely to reach out and make an effort if she doesn't hear from you all the time. Another way to keep her guessing is by withholding details about your life and not always responding right away. Let her know that your time is valuable, and she should value the time you do spend together. That doesn't mean you have to be cold or unresponsive, but don't be so quick to answer every single one of her messages. This will create an air of mystery and intrigue around your relationship, which will keep her coming back for more. 6. Give her your undivided attention. When you're with her, make sure that she has your complete and undivided attention. This means no checking your phone every few minutes or getting distracted by something else. Focus on her, talk to her, and listen to what she has to say. It's so simple yet often overlooked. Let her know that she matters to you and make an effort to learn more about her. Ask questions and show genuine interest in learning more about what makes her tick. By making a conscious effort to stay engaged in the conversation, you'll be more likely to get a second date, because she'll appreciate the fact that you put in the effort and paid attention to her words. It's also important to remember that everyone likes it when someone takes an interest in them, not just women. 7. Be mysterious but not too distant. When trying to make a girl beg for your attention, the key is to be mysterious but not too distant. Show her that you care about her without coming on too strong. You want to keep her guessing and wanting more of you. A good way to do this is by giving her just enough attention to make her feel special, but not so much that she stops wondering what else is out there. Be unpredictable, but don't ignore her completely. The key here is balance. Also, be sure to tease and flirt with her, but don't cross any boundaries. Push and pull. It's an age-old game that never fails to get a girl's attention. Give her just enough time and space so that she'll be left wanting more of you and will have no choice but to come begging for your attention. 8. Stop chasing girls and start living a life they'll want to be part of. The key to making a girl beg for your attention is to actually stop chasing her. That's right. Don't text her all day long, don't call her, and don't show up unannounced. You shouldn't be the one in pursuit all the time. After all, life isn't a movie, and you aren't the hero coming to her rescue. Instead of chasing her, start living an independent life that she'll want to be a part of. Focus on living your best life and exploring different hobbies and activities that make you happy. This way, when you meet with a girl you're interested in, she'll already be drawn to your positive energy from enjoying life and pursuing new things that make you feel alive. Women are always looking for someone who can bring something new and enjoyable into their lives. If you can provide that, she won't be able to help but beg for your attention. In conclusion, so now you know how to make a girl beg for your attention. It's really not that difficult. All you have to do is follow these simple tips and tricks, and you'll be on your way to having the girl of your dreams beg for your attention. Just remember to be confident, put your best foot forward, and to always stay true to yourself